Rain never stopped in the lower districts. Not natural rain. Condensation from ancient Porffor cooling towers, drifting endlessly through the city like industrial mourning. The streets beneath the merchant arches shine black beneath lantern light, crowded with smugglers, memory traders, counterfeit priests, and rogues who survived by becoming forgettable on purpose. Above them, the silence officials preached order. Below them, the undercity sharpened knives.
The rogue guilds formed slowly after the Resonance War.
Not through loyalty.
Necessity.
When the cities began erasing identities, certain people learned survival required.
Forged resonance signatures, emotional masking,
Stolen records.
black market movement routes.
Soon entire economies emerged beneath the official streets. You could buy a dead citizen's identity.
Altered memory transcript,
Forged silence permits.
emotional dampener.
Names removed from surveillance architecture.
In the undercity, identity became currency.
Every secret leaves vibration. Every lie reshapes the tone. And somewhere underneath the city, no one truly stands alone. These are the knives beneath Porffor. Silent hands inside the dark.
Rogues moving through the alleyways,
Leaving resonance like scars.
hold your breathing low and measured.
Hold your heartbeat out of sight.
For the city kills politely.
Long before it starts a fight. The assassination of Veil Sereth could not happen publicly. The archivist traveled surrounded by resonance auditors, officials trained to detect emotional instability through vibration patterns. Ordinary killers failed immediately near them. Fear changes rhythm, violence disturbs breathing, intent reshapes resonance before action occurs. But rogues learned something different long ago. The perfect assassin does not suppress emotion. The perfect assassin partitions it.
Deep beneath the flood districts, rogue initiates trained in submerged upper chambers, where resonance behaved strangely beneath water pressure.
There they learned
Heartbeat segmentation,
emotional compartmentalization,
rhythmic deception.
false resonance projection.
Some students never resurfaced psychologically afterward.
Because dividing emotion repeatedly
Eventually damages the structure holding identity together.
but the survivors became nearly invisible to surveillance systems.
Not absent.
Unreadable.
The city listens for intention.
So the rogues learned how to fracture themselves.
Into smaller truths.
The contract moved forward during the hour of drowned bells. A nightly maintenance cycle. When the Porffor lantern grid dimmed slightly across the northern archive district. The rogue crossed the rooftops carefully, boots barely touching rain-soaked stone.
Below him,
The city vibrated with hidden systems.
surveillance harmonics beneath the streets.
Emotional resonance tracking towers, buried silence engines humming weakly in forgotten tunnels.
Civilization had become machinery, listening to itself constantly.
And somewhere inside it, people were vanishing.
Then the shadows moved incorrectly again.
The rogues saw them beneath the archive bridge,
Officials walking beneath lantern light,
while their silhouettes delayed half a second behind movement.
the effect lasted only moments.
But it was enough, because rogues survive by noticing things civilization trains itself to ignore.
And suddenly, the assassination felt secondary to something far worse unfolding beneath the city itself.
The resonance systems were malfunctioning,
Or evolving,
and the people disappearing from memory.
might not be murdered at all,
They might be
falling through reality's recognition entirely.
the rain keeps falling,
The city keeps listening, and somewhere inside the silence,
the structures begin to crack,
these are the knives beneath Porffor,
sharp enough to cut the name.
rogues drifting through the surveillance glow.
While the city rearranges blame,
Hold the fragments of yourself now.
hold your memory through the flood.
For the streets consume identities.
Like the towers consume blood.
The rogues learned how to survive invisibly.
But the city itself was becoming harder to recognize.
And somewhere beneath the rain,
The walls remembered everything.